juice so far. Rahul Kumara going a couple of overs. And now it's time for Chamika Karnataka. Really well. That's something going for Sri Lanka. Hold a probing spell. It's been brought back into the attack. Yeah, good call. Ideally, would have liked to see it if we had happened earlier in this. That is a spell which doesn't snipe a ball. I think it will couple of overs at that point in time. Straight after Rajita's spell, 5 over spell, India was still under a lot of pressure. Maybe that point in time, he was thinking, maybe Karunaratne, maybe Kumara. But to be fair, he just gave it a couple of overs. Maybe he wanted to try something out. Was it a long spell for himself?